about the ch phoneme. So let's get started. Well, according to places of articulations, the ch sound is post-alveolar sound, and according to manner of articulations, the ch sound is affricate. The ch sound is voiceless. So the ch sound is used in these words. For example, in chart. So this is the ch sound. In chair and in change. Well, these three words are pronounced differently in British English. For example, stupid as stupid because there is a U letter right after the T sound. And Tuesday as Tuesday and attitude as attitude. So thanks for watching.